Realization. I'm out of shape. And Happy New Year to everyone! It is 2018. It is finally here. Happy New Year! 2017 was a bit of a crazy year for a lot of people that I know. How was it for you? I know for me it was crazy. Happy New Year, birds. And I am just so glad that this year 2018 is here. That is one side of me talking. Second side of me talking is like, oh, what is this? Time is just an illusion. You know, there really is no such thing as a New Year's because it's not like the whole Earth celebrates at once. But still, you know, I mean, this is kind of what we deal with here on Earth. So I thought I'd just join along as well. Happy New Year, my shadow.
Oh, and Happy New Year, little puppy.
So, didn't get to do a run this morning because I was being lazy. Way to start the year off right, Jesse. Jeez. Gotta be more committed than that if I want to reach my goals in 2018. I made a video on that just a couple of weeks ago. But I also believe in redemption. So, this is me getting up and going for a little run. I have no idea how this is going to be going. This is my first time, first for everything, running with a Canon 70D in my hand. Now, I'm starting to get a glimpse of what Peter McKinnon has to go through with his 1DX. This is probably only half the size. Am I done yet? No, you're not done. One more lap. No, give me two. Okay. Yeah, out of shape. This is gonna be part of my New Year's thing, is just, yeah. You know what? Let's talk about that. Oh, that's better. Yeah, let's talk about that. What I decided to focus on this year was just care. Like caring for not only myself and my health and mental health and also my finances. Not only am I going to take care of that, but you know, this is the year to also care about the people around me. Because what good is my life if I'm only taking care of myself and no one else? Because we all talk about, hey, you know what, let's care for each other and let's care for the planet, but we're not given actions. We're only told, hey, you know, just do this vague thing. But they never give us, you know, specific things to do. So, yeah, here's my challenges for you on this motivational Happy New Year 2018 Monday. And that is to reach out to someone who you haven't been in touch with and just send them an email. Just send them an email saying, hey, I thought of you. We haven't talked in a while. I just wanted to say hi. How you doing? You know, send them some thoughts, you know, really connect with them, care for them. If there are friends that you've just lost touch with because of distance, well, you know, I mean, that's the beauty of technology, is you can just, you know, do this little thing, clickety, 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 and yeah, you've sent them a message. Whereas, you know, back in the day, oh yeah, you had to, you know, hire on someone to be on, you know, donkey back, going from one side of the continent to the next, or send pigeons. I'm not sure how well that worked for cross-continental mail delivery. There's no excuse. It's just as easy to send that email than it is to just say, oh, I'll send it later. It's just as easy. It doesn't take any extra major effort. It's not going to drain you. But yeah, doing the former and not the latter is going to make your life a hell of a lot better. So that's my Motivational Monday. There really is no major theme here, but I just want to extend my thoughts, what is going on inside this organized chaos of a mind, out onto you. I hope you had a awesome New Year's. Happy New Year's, stop sign. And that you are party hard, but hopefully you didn't party too hard to the point where you're just like, oh my god, in the morning. My name's Jesse. You've been watching me do stuff on New Year's. If you want to see me do more stuff, then consider subscribing. And if you like this video, then if you really feel like it, then you can give it a thumbs up. My name's Jesse again. I'll see you guys next week.